Hi guys, good morning again. So we are on the second page 418 and we are going to find the surface area of the cylinder. Cylinder is given to you as we did in our previous video. So we are going to look at this question and how are we able to do it. So in this question they told you what is the surface area of a cylinder with a height of 9.5 inches. So height is here. So I'll write 9.5 here. Whatever is given when you read it, please make sure and the radius is 2.5. So radius, where is radius? Here, so I write 2.5. Radius is here, I write 2.5. Now what I have to do is find the surface area. To find the surface area, I do the calculations. 2.5 square is what I need to do first because it's in the parentheses, and parentheses we have to solve first. So that times 2 will give me 12.5 pi, and then 9.5 times 2.5 times 2 will give me 47.5 pi. Add this both together, you should get 60 pi. And that's the answer for this. So surface area of a cylinder is 60 pi square inches. They told you to find the answer in pi because they have given everything in pi. We don't need to convert this into the number. So that is there. How can you find the surface area of a cylinder if you only know the height and the circumference of the base? You can write along with me. You can use circumference to find the radius of the circular base the circumference I'm just going to write it here. The circumference is the width of the rectangle. Okay, so this is how you do the surface area of a cylinder. We are going to go for the next page, and they're teaching us how to do the surface area of a cone. And you can see the cone, ice cream cone, there is circle. So circle area is pi r square. And this cone part, if you see, this is the height of the cone. This is the slant height called as L. And this is the radius. So you can use Pythagorean theorem here because this forms a right angle triangle. This is the hypotenuse. This is your A. This is your B of the hypotenuse. Pythagorean theorem. Okay, we are going to do a few questions. And here you go. What is the surface area of a cone with the radius of 7 feet? So we are doing the surface area of a cone. I'm just going to write it here because I don't have enough space at the bottom. Surface area, we are talking about the cone. So first, we'll write the formula pi r square plus pi r L. This L we write a slanting one, okay? So make sure you do that. So they told us the radius is 7, slant height, that is the L is 9, and use 22 by 7 as pi. So make sure we are using pi as 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 as our pi. R is 7, so I do 7 square plus pi, again 22 by 7, and times R, which is 7, and L is given as 9. Now if you see, this 7 square is something which we need to multiply first. So 7 times 7 is 49. So our next equation will be 22 by 7 times 49. I hope you are able to see it. Plus 22 by 7 times 7 times 9. Now I have an opportunity to cancel because there is a multiplication sign. 7 times 7 is 49. So I do 22 times 7, which I get as 154. I'm continuing my answer down. 22 by 7. So this 7 and this 7 can be cancelled either. So 22 times 9, which gives me 198. So 154 plus 198 is 352. The units of measurement here is feet, so I'll do feet square. So this is the answer for the A question, and it's a surface area of a cone. Okay, so now we are going to look at the second one. They're asking us to find the surface area of a sphere and with a diameter. Okay, they did not give us radius. Our surface area formula of a sphere says 4 pi r square. When we talk about r, that means we need to know the radius. Diameter is given. So what I do, 2.7 divided by 2, I get 1.35. So 4 times pi, they told me to use 3.14, so I use 3.14 times r. How do I get r? 1.35 square. So first you do 1.35 square, you get 1.8. Let me do that. 1.35 times 1.35, you should get 1.8225. Now whenever you get this kind of number, do not round it up here. Make sure you're rounding up at the end. You're not supposed to round up anything what you get here. Times 3.14 times 4. So this times 3.14 times 4, I get as 22.8906. Now here this 9 will round this up to 9. So my answer is 22.9, and the units of measurement is inches. So inches square. So this will be my answer for this question. I've shown you step by step. After this step, this, then this. But first, when the diameter is given, make sure you need to know the radius, and the half of diameter is the radius. So you divide the diameter by 2. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye.